Hello and welcome to my second tutorial. Today we're going to look at the import function. So first of all we'll start off with opening up a new file. So File, New File. What I'm going to do here is actually use the print function as I did in my last tutorial. So print, I'm going to ask somebody for what is their name. So what is your name? Okay, that's easy enough. So now I'm going to save that. So File, Save As. I'll go into my area and I'll save it as G name. And then now I can run the program. So I'll go run module. So all this program is doing is asking me what is my name. It's actually not even waiting for a response. The program's actually ended. So to get a user response, so what we do is we use something called a variable. I'm actually going to use a variable and I'm going to call my variable called a name. This is where it stores the user's response. So name, and now I'm introducing the import function. Okay, so I'm going to run that program. Okay, it's asked me for my name. You can see the cursor is actually flashing, waiting for a response. I'm going to say my name is Sue, and my program's ends. If we want to do something more interesting to respond to the user's name, we can go print, and we can say hello. So what I will do, you have to put the variable name as well in there. So the variable name is name, and this will store whatever the person puts in. When you say what is your name, it will store it in the variable called name. So I'll go run module. Okay, what is your name? Once again, I'm going to say Bob. It doesn't have to always be Sue. I'm going to say Bob. Hello, Bob. And that's quite straightforward. We can, however, just use 2 lines of code. We don't always have to use the print at the same time. We can just reduce that down to 1 line. So I can just say, ask that person, what is their name? Okay, and I can actually answer it here. Okay, so I'll just take the extra brackets off here. Okay, and that will actually do the same thing. So if I go run, which obviously it's going to ask me to save, it will save anyway. What is your name? Today I'm going to say John. Hello, John. You might want to add a bit more interaction with that by asking somebody their age. So if I say age, and then that's the variable name I'm storing into, and then now I'm going to ask them how old they are. Okay, and then also what I would like to do is respond when someone tells me their age. So I'm going to say print. Okay, so don't forget, what you need to do within here is put in the variable name. So I'm going to put in age, speech marks, and always close the bracket at the end. Okay, if you don't close the brackets, you will get an error. Okay. All right, so if you watch what my program does at the moment, so the program is going to ask you it will ask you what's your name, then it asks you how old you are, and then display it to the screen. So run module, save. So what's your age, name? So I'm going to say Bob again. And then I'm going to say how old are you? I'm going to say 21. So you are 21. Okay, you can continue just doing a chatbot program and asking them what's their favorite color and any other information you want to. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next one. My next video, I will actually explain to you what variables are.